Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mohg's weapon, the Mohgwyn's Sacred Spear. First, you must reach the Mohgwyn Dynasty Mausoleum. There are two main ways to get there. You can use the Pureblood Knight's medal, which is obtained through a specific quest line. Alternatively, you can find a teleporter in the western part of the consecrated snowfield, which requires defeating a specific boss to unlock the area. Once inside the Mohgwyn Dynasty Mausoleum, navigate through the area until you reach the boss arena. Here, you will face Mohg, Lord of Blood. This is a formidable opponent with two distinct phases. During the fight, he will perform a powerful blood flame ritual. Using Mohg's shackle twice in his first phase can temporarily bind him, giving you a crucial opening to deal significant damage. After successfully defeating Mohg, Lord of Blood, you will receive the Remembrance of the Blood Lord. This special item can be traded for unique rewards. Head to the Round Table Hold and speak with Enia, the Finger Reader. She offers a choice between two powerful items. Select the Mohgwyn's Sacred Spear to acquire this impressive weapon, or opt for his incantation instead. The Mohgwyn's Sacred Spear is a powerful great spear. To wield it effectively, you will need 24 points in Strength, 14 in Dexterity, and 27 in Arcane. Its unique weapon skill, Blood Boon Ritual, allows you to thrust the spear into the air 3 times, creating 3 blood flame explosions around your character. This skill is excellent for both area of effect damage and applying status effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.